Hi guys, today I will show you how to do the oil maintenance reset in BMW from 2014 to 2015. I believe it's all 5 series will work this way. So it's a difficult job, but you should be full pay of attention and spend your a minute and a couple seconds to follow my steps and get this project complete. So for the first step, subscribe to my channel, thumbs up and love me in your comments. You will push on this button, so don't press on the brake, just click one time on this button. Let all lights come in. See, here you have service light. So in my case I have the airbag problem. Maybe you will not. So if you have something, let that screen be empty. So click on this button one time. So now, right now it's empty. Then click in this button and hold. It will take you some time, and now you just get your engine oil reset. Then when you decide to reset it, just click on this button and hold again. It's ask you reset, of course, that's why we're here. Click on this button again, and it's just resetting. See, I'm clicking and I'm holding it, and it's reset. Congratulations, you done. It's a minute 25 seconds. Subscribe to my channel, thumbs up and love me in your comments. Thank you. Bye.